Hello, everybody. I hope Monday went well for you and you were able to find materials not only for my class but for other classes. I just wanted to review something quickly for you on Schoology. So pretend like you are going to like my class. All right, so obviously right here in this yellow folder, the school closure activities, that's where you're going to want to go to look for the activities that are available for you daily. I am also posting things on the update section. So if you look over here, under materials, it's going to say update. So click on that. This is kind of like a live feed, right? So if you have like Facebook or Instagram, this is like a live feed of what I have been posting. All right, so there's a YouTube video that the teachers kind of put messages out. If you want to watch that, that's there. Here is an updated time frame of when we're going to meet. So there's lots of information here that you could be accessing, and I just want to make sure that you're looking at both the materials tab right here and the gradebook, and the update tab, right? So for Tuesday, these are some things that I'm going to have available for you. We're going to use a new platform called quill.org. It's just like a little writing practice, okay? So everything is going to be in your Schoology folder for Tuesday. You're going to go to quill.org right here, and then you're going to follow directions to join my class. You guys all can join classes on these programs. Just make sure you're using your LS credentials, okay? Do not try to go in on a personal email. You're going to see lots of things assigned to you, but remember, I only want you to try these 4 things at first, okay? So it's just 4 lessons on the basic comma practice. If you guys are having trouble logging into Quill, you need to let me know right away, okay? Because I want to be able to help you and support you during that. All right, and then the next thing is going into Actively Learn and reading the article. It says how some YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok stars use their influence for good. This is kind of relevant because a lot of us are stuck at home, and I know you are all on your social media all day long. So take a look at it, all right? And don't forget again that there's that speech to text function at the top right corner of Actively Learn that you can use. Okay? So let me know if you need anything. I am here. Today I have office hours from 8 to 9 in the morning. I'm available to you. And then we have period 1 and 2 check-in times that you can come meet with your class. Okay, so period 1, you're going to be at 1 o'clock. And then period 2, 1:45. All right, those links I send them on your email, and it's also on the update section of my Schoology page. All right, guys, so let me know if you have any questions. I am here to help you, and I hope you all got through day 1 pretty good, and just please let me know if you have any questions, and stay healthy. See ya!